Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to record your screen on Canva. So Canva has a really cool screen recording tool, which actually I use for my YouTube videos, and I find really cool and really easy to use and really functional. So I'm going to show you how to use it today. So one thing to point out is that you can only use the Canva screen recorder on their desktop app. So by that I mean you have to download Canva onto your computer if you want to use the screen recorder. So I'm on the normal app just now, but you can see at the bottom that I've downloaded Canva onto my desktop. So I'm going to swap over onto that screen by clicking on there. Then to find the screen recorder, we're going to look over onto the left-hand side. I'm going to click on Uploads, and then at the top, you should be able to see Record Yourself. So I'm going to click on that, and you have different options here. So the basic screen recorder is at the top. That is what I use for my YouTube videos. And you can also record a talking head. So that basically means your head will be seen in the corner of the screen. So choose whichever one suits you and then click to go, and you will record your screen on Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.